Hey everyone, what's up? Praneeth here. And are you tired of feeling lost in a job search jungle? You apply to a bunch of positions. Your inbox is drier than a desert. But fear not, because today we are going to unleash the secret weapon of job seekers, LinkedIn. That's right, LinkedIn isn't just for boring professional connections, although those are important too. It's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered. So buckle up, because in this video, we're going to crack the LinkedIn code and turn you into a job landing machine. The power of 3, diversifying your options. First things first, let's cast a wider net. Don't just rely on one job board. We're talking diversification, baby. LinkedIn is fantastic, but let's also explore the worlds of Indeed and Well-Found. Indeed is like a giant job fair, packed with all sorts of positions. Well-Found focuses more on startups and tech companies, perfect if you're into the cutting edge stuff. Now pick 3 different industries that pique your interest. Maybe you love the fast pace of marketing or the logic puzzles of the tech world, or maybe you're passionate about helping people in healthcare. The possibilities are endless. Become a LinkedIn Sherlock. Alright, time to put on your detective hat and become a LinkedIn Sherlock. Let's say you're interested in a marketing role at a cool sports apparel company. Here's what you do. Number 1, search for the job. Go to LinkedIn and hunt down that dream position. Read the job description carefully, paying close attention to the preferred qualifications. Number 2, connect and copy. Notice the company and the person who posted the job. Connect with them, it shows initiative. Then copy down those preferred qualifications. These are gold. 3, follow the masters. Search for people who hold similar position at other companies. Give them a follow and see what they put in their about section, what skills they highlighted, and their past roles and responsibilities. This gives you a roadmap for your own profile. Tailor your LinkedIn resume. Remember that generic resume you have lying around? Time to give it a makeover. Now that you know what your dream job is that you're looking for, highlight the relevant skills and experiences you have in your LinkedIn profile. Building your LinkedIn powerhouse. Now let's make your LinkedIn profile a skyscraper of awesomeness. Number 1, compile your achievements. Don't be shy, list all your past roles and responsibilities under the experience section. Show them your hustle. Number 2, recommendation roundup. Did you work on a killer project with a teammate? Did you rock an internship? Ask them for a recommendation. These add credibility to your profile. Number 3, networking ninja. Connect with people in your field, join relevant groups, follow companies you admire, and start building your professional network. Bonus tip: keep your profile updated, new skills, achievements, or certifications. Add them right away. This shows you're always learning and growing. There you have it, folks. By using these strategies, you can transform your LinkedIn profile and stand out from the crowd. The same strategies apply to Indeed and Well-Found. Remember, it's all about connecting, tailoring, and building your professional presence. Now go out there and crush that job hunt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more job search tips and career hacks. And leave a comment below. Tell me what industry you're interested in and what dream job you're chasing. Let's start a conversation and help each other land those amazing positions.